Hey guys, welcome back to the August Diaries. Should I even be saying that anymore? My blog name is the August Diaries, but my YouTube name is Jillian Lansky. Whatever. Anyways, welcome back. Today I thought I would do a Sephora unboxing for you guys. I put in an order earlier this week, I think. I'm excited to try some of the products, so I thought I would do kind of like an unboxing and a get ready with me. So I've already done my hair. But the first product that I ordered is this IGK Beach Club Texture Spray. This is one of my favorite sprays. This is my second bottle. I go through it really fast. So I'm just gonna actually use that now. So I like to bring it up for added volume. Oops, I put too much on this side. Shit. I do really want to try that Jen Atkin texturizing, or not Jen Atkin, the Way texturizing foam or something. It's like, do you know what I'm talking about? So that is one of my must-have products. I love it. Then I'm gonna kind of go through the products as I do my get ready with me. I was actually watching Eva Chen's Instagram live before the Met Ball, and her makeup artist recommended this TATCHA Pearl, which is like an illuminating under eye treatment to hydrate and reduce the look of dark circles instantly. So it's supposed to be really good. Oh my god, sorry, the hairspray is really strong. So it's supposed to be really good for hydration and dark circles and whatever, so I thought I would try it. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little ball. I've actually never used any TATCHA products before. And then you unscrew it like this. And it actually kind of looks like concealer. Like it's, well, for white people or light-skinned people. Interesting. Let's try this. So it goes on quite light. I'm very unsure about this now. Eva Chen. Let me look at the instructions. It just seems so white. I did get another eye cream though. The C-Tango Multivitamin Cream from Drunk Elephant. I really like the Drunk Elephant C Firma Vitamin C Serum. So this is supposed to firm and brighten. It has Power 5C 8 peptide blends. Just tap it. That's a lot on my eye area. I've been using pretty like rich creams, like La Roche-Posay has a really good eye cream that I like. I've been using a lot of their products. Well, I guess I have to take this fucking TATCHA stuff off. I mean, my eye does look brighter, but it's too white for me. Like it's too bright. All right, let's try this one more time. I'm just gonna use the tiniest amount, a rice grain amount. That's like nothing. And tap it along. I'll do one eye cream on each eye and see how they go today. I'm gonna use my MARC JACOBS Coconut Primer. Obviously, I really like it. And then I'm gonna use the Nudies Tinted Blur Stick. I got sent this, so I didn't buy it, but I've used it for the last few days and I really like it. And then I also picked up a few other NUDESTIX products from Sephora on my order. Cannot open this fucking box. So I'm using the shade Light 3. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle of my face. You can't even see it because it's like the perfect color for me. And then I'm gonna blend it in just with my fingers. And then once I've done that, I'll just put a little bit more on wherever I need it, which is usually around my mouth and my nose. I have oily skin as well as dry skin. How annoying is that? And so I really need around my nose and my mouth and my forehead, I need to set anything that I use because otherwise it'll just slip right off. So let's see if there's anything in here that I can use. I got the NUDESTIX, I think it's called the Boho Babe set. Yeah, the Boho Babe palette. I really wanted to try the color Tay. And I like a lot of these colors. I guess the Tay, I can't keep saying that, can be used on your lips and cheeks. I also got another NUDESTIX lip and cheek color in the color Haven. They're really close in color. I would say that Haven is a little bit more peachy, so we'll see which one I like best. So I'm just gonna use some bronzer. I'm not really gonna do much on my eyes because, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I also finally got the roller stick from NUDESTIX. The rock and roller eye liner. God, my office is such a fucking mess. In bronze patina. So I'm just gonna use that as a liner and I'm not gonna do really anything else on the eyes. So MARC JACOBS bronzer, one of my favorites. Kind of like as a contour. You guys know I use this all the time. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the bronzer in my eye socket. Shake, rock, and roll. They do this little like, oh my god. I'll have to make sure to leave that in. Oh my god. Okay, so I also got, but I can't open it for the life of me, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because I've heard it's really good. And that's quite a big claim, I have to say. I'm gonna do the eyeliner first and then I'll do my mascara. Actually, first I'm gonna curl my lashes so that it doesn't get rid of the eyeliner. Right, I have no idea how I'm gonna be with doing this, so let's see. So I'm gonna do like a little wing. Oh, that's pretty easy. I like to draw my wing first. I actually do have a video on how to do winged eyeliner, so I'll link that. This is not sponsored, by the way, by any of these brands or by Sephora. Let's try the mascara. Better Than Sex. Okay, this is what the brush looks like. I do like fluffy, voluminous lashes. So, for under my eyes, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. This is in the shade Custard. For spot concealing, I'm going to use my Milk Makeup. God, that mascara wand is so heavy. That's so weird. So I just dot it wherever I need it. I like to do quite a bit around the mouth. Just let it set for a sec and then I'll pat it in. I'll just set under my eyes. I'll just brush up my brows. They've been microbladed, and one of my most asked questions or frequently asked questions is about my brows. So I'll just repeat it that I do have a video all about it, about where I went, the process, and all of that stuff. Oh, another mascara I wanted to mention that I really like is the new Bare Minerals Lashtopia, and it is a mega volume mineral based mascara, and I've used it a few times. I find that I do need a few coats with this, like 2 to 3. It gives you nice and full lashes. Is that everything that I bought? Yeah. I'm gonna take the Illumi-Naughty and just put a little bit in the corner. For lips and cheeks, I'm gonna use Haven. Kind of like a nude pinky. It's like almost like my own lip color actually. And then I'm going to use some on my cheeks too. It's quite a peachy nude, which I tend to like more than pinky nudes. It's almost got a little bit of shimmer or something in it. To finish off, I'll use the Illumi-Naughty stick. I recently was at an event with Patrick Ta, and he made the suggestion of putting highlight on like the flatter parts of your face. So like along here and also here, as opposed to like closer to your eye. And I really liked that tip because you don't really want to be highlighting right here because a lot of people have wrinkles there, but you still want to get that glow. I'm actually just going to try the Tay color to see. Definitely a lot pinker. This is really nice, but I think I prefer Haven. So that was my first time kind of doing an unboxing, so to speak. Let me know your thoughts on it. how did I do? Do you want me to do another one? Should I do anything differently? I'm always open to feedback as long as it's constructive and not just mean. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and also this top is from Zara. I've been doing a lot of hauls lately, and this, I'm actually gonna film one right now, so stay tuned for that. I am doing another giveaway. So I'm giving away the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I just got a big delivery from Fresh and they sent over a few of these, so I thought I would give one to you guys. I've heard that it's like a cult classic. Also have a few extras from Way. This is the Memory Mist. I have 2 and I love it. It's so good. The Wave Spray and the hair oil. I love Way. It's such a good line. Check out the description box to enter. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and following me on Instagram. The giveaway will be open for a week. Good luck.